how you can change subtitle language in a YouTube video. So all you need to do is to open some YouTube video, and we want to basically turn on captions. Now it's in English and it's auto generated. If you want to change the language, click on settings and go to subtitles, simply click it, and we want to click on auto translate and choose the language which you want to auto translate. French. Now it should translate the original audio into French subtitles. So it's gonna look like this. There is some audio and you can see French language in your subtitles. If you want to change it, use the same process or change it back to English auto-generated, or choose which language you want. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.